Welcome to today's deep dive into SEB Group's banking services. In this video, we're going to thoroughly review the bank's terms of service, breaking down everything you need to know. SEB Group offers a variety of banking services that can cater to both personal and business needs. But what are the real costs? Are there hidden charges? First, let's talk about the bank's personal accounts. SEB Group offers several types of accounts, including basic checking and savings accounts. However, account maintenance fees can vary depending on the type of account you choose. For example, the standard personal account comes with a fee of around 200 SEK per month, which might not sound like much but could add up over time if you have a low balance. When it comes to business accounts, SEB provides both simple and more advanced solutions for small businesses and large corporations. However, business account holders should be aware that fees can quickly escalate based on the volume of transactions, and additional services such as invoicing or payroll management come with added costs. The bank also offers specific packages that include loan facilities, which could be beneficial for growing businesses, but interest rates and repayment conditions should always be checked carefully. SEB's terms of service also highlight various hidden charges. For instance, some types of international transfers come with high fees, especially if the transaction involves a currency conversion. While their services are comprehensive, SEB Group has a reputation for charging fees on extra services, like ATM withdrawals outside the SEB network or paper statements, which could be a drawback for those looking to minimize costs. Customer support at SEB is generally rated well, offering 24/7 assistance. But it's worth noting that some users have complained about long wait times during peak hours. The bank also offers online banking features, which is convenient, but depending on your needs, the platform can be slightly confusing for first-time users. When it comes to loans, SEB offers a range of options, from personal loans to mortgages. However, it's important to remember that loan terms vary and interest rates may be higher depending on your credit history. Be sure to read the fine print before committing to any loan agreement. For investors, SEB provides a solid selection of investment options. But again, these come with their own set of fees that can sometimes be higher than average compared to other banks. The investment advisory services they provide are good, but only for premium account holders, which means you'll need to meet specific criteria to access those services. In conclusion, SEB Group offers a full range of banking services, but it comes with its own set of costs and potential drawbacks. Whether you're considering a personal account or exploring options for your business, always check the terms of service carefully to understand the fees and conditions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews, and leave a comment if you have any questions about SEB Group or other banks you want us to review.